Yeah. MD. JPB. It's only right, baby.
Yeah, why you mad? I got a bag, bro. Name hot in these streets, no Tabasco. But I'm so stubbed, that's a fact, Joe. And if you think I'm frontin', you can run it back, yo. Go on, run it back.
You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, this gon' be a long night. Yeah. You know. I said, damn, this gon' be a long night. Yeah, let's go. Look.
I told Shorty drop it for a real one. Go ahead and pop it, let me feel some. Do it for the boy with a bag now. Movie star money making everybody act out. I don't lie to these women, if I want them then I tell them. Don't get fly for these women, I was born with these propellers. All my haters cannot beat me, so I call them like capellas. See, I'm only getting better, you only getting jealous.
You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night.
You know, I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah. MD. JPB. You already know, baby. Yeah. I said, I already done it.
Everything you wanna do, I already done. You know that yeah.
I said, you know that yeah. Damn, it's gonna be a long night.
Right, so we're here today with Marc. So Marc, I've been seeing this bike getting on real nasty all over the place. So tell us about this supercar killer.
This is my Suzuki Hyabusa. It's a 2011 model, which makes it 10 years this year. It's a very impressive bike. It's always been my dream bike. You know, there's a few mods. The engine is untouched, stock motor. A little bit nitrous, nothing too heavy. You know, the bike is still a streetable bike. I ride it on the street almost daily. A little nitrous, you know, a little auto air shift. And it takes me into the 8s. I touched 8s 3 times since racing. I started racing this bike in 2016 at Wallerfield. I started off doing 9/8s, staying in the 9 seconds for a little while. But with a little experience, you know, and a little coaching from the older heads up there, you know, I was able to take it down into the 8s. Hopefully when this COVID thing over, you know, I could get to test it again, because after doing 8s, you know, I did a little bit more mods. So I need to test again to see if I'm doing better or if the mods take me.
Yeah. So what is the best time so far again?
8.8 is my best so far at 156 miles per hour.
So I have a few things I'm curious about. One, the nitrous. Because everybody see people pressing a button for nitrous. How you getting time to press a button in 8 seconds?
Now with this bike, I set it up. Oh, and next thing too, this bike was built, all the work was done by me, all the tuning, everything. I sat down home, did my research, and I tuned this bike myself. The bike has never seen a dyno. It's tuned at Wallafield. After I racing, I come home, I check my logs, I have a data logger on the bike, check my logs and see what my AFR is, and then I'll tune it to suit. The question with the nitrous engagement, as soon as I hit full throttle on this bike, automatically the nitrous would come in. I have a nitrous progressive controller that doesn't give the full shot all at once, you know, so that the bike wouldn't really and throw me off. So it would progressively come in, slowly and effectively. And the controller is something that I recently installed, and I believe that is what have me running consistent low 9s, 8s, high 8s.
So beside nitrous, what other modifications you have to do to this to get into the 8s?
Into the 8s, I would say a lot of lightning. A lot of lightning mods, you know. I try to diet a little bit, try to lose some weight, but it's harder than it looks. So I decided to go with carbon fiber, you know. I changed all the wheels to carbon fiber wheels. I drop a lot of rotational mass, you know, that helps with acceleration. I have Rotobox Boost carbon fiber wheels in back and front. And that's about it. Yeah, I have a good tire, good sticky tire, take a good traction. Yeah, from the factory, these bikes come with a wheelbase of 58 inches. I extended my wheelbase, so I made the bike actually longer, the wheelbase longer by 8 inches. So it sits at around 66 inches right now, and that helps with the launch. So it enables me to launch the bike a little bit harder without having to worry that it was going to flip over and throw me off.
Nitrous. How much nitrous you injecting into this bike?
Well, this nitrous thing, I started off at 30 horsepower. I increased to 40. Right now at 50 horsepower. Because I think that's real addictive. So anybody running nitrous, be careful of that. This bike, however, it cannot handle more than 50 without engine mods. So in the future, you know, it's something I might look into to enable to run more nitrous. A stock Hyabusa would run like around 186 horsepower, but this bike with the mods, with the exhaust and the air filter and stuff, should bump it up to like 190 horsepower average, because I never put the bike on a dyno, so these figures is just my guess, right? I don't think it's close to 200, like real close to 200, but with the nitrous, I'm guessing around 230, 240. I could be wrong, but it feels a little bit like 220, 230 around there. Yeah.
What exhaust system you have on this bike?
This is a Brock's Performance exhaust. It's all titanium, full titanium. I believe it's the only one of its kind in the country. It has a little carbon fiber end cap. And yeah, I just want to shout out Brock's Performance. They helped me a lot with building this bike, putting it together. Also on the track, he gave me a lot of support and a lot of advice to help the bike move into the air.
What record you holding right now in Trinidad?
This is yet to be verified, but I believe this is the only bike in the country running on pump gas, stock engine. The engine never was unbolted from the frame, nothing like that. The only bike that running daily on the street. I ride this bike from home in Port of Spain to Wallafield, run 8s and ride it back home. This is the only bike that doing that.
Right, Mark, so I know it's not easy to pull off that 8-second pass. How much years experience you have riding?
Well, I'm 36 years old. I've been riding since age 12, so you do the maths. As far as I could remember, my father used to ride motorcycles. He used to take me to preschool, primary school and stuff on his motorcycle. So yeah, I've been around bikes for a long while. Well, thanks again, Octaneaddicts, for the review, and I really hope to see you all on the track in the future.
Alright.